How you doing, guys? Professor EDC with a first impressions video, and today we're going to talk about this beauty. We're going to talk about the CKF Custom Knife Factory Tiger with this gorgeous double harpoon American Tanto. And well, let's jump right into the specs. And please, I'm trying this new format, so let me know what you think. Okay, all right. The full length of this folder is at 8.46 inches. The blade length is at 3.62, and the cutting edge is just a bit under, so it's like 3.60, 3.59 inches long, the cutting edge. Closed. Check out that action. The closed length is at 484 inches. Portability, it's not deep carry, but then again, look at that. It's gorgeous. It really, the pressure, the clip pressure is just right on. Putting it in and taking it out. Just fantastic. And you can see the portability right there. The blade thickness. I had to take the measure on this flat portion because it starts tapering down, as you can see right there from the beginning. It starts tapering down to that fine tip. Beautiful. Check out that shape, how it you know, it's not just a straight line, a parallel, or they're not parallel lines, you know. Well, I don't know how to say it. Anyways, I hope you were able to catch what I'm trying to express there. But it's really gorgeous. Anyways, the blade thickness is at 157 thousandths. Behind the edge is around 12 thousandths, so it's a pretty good slicer. The weight is at 4.35 ounces. It runs on bearings. I don't remember if they are ceramic bearings or normal bearings. The clip is a sculpted titanium clip. The handles are titanium, of course. They're not skeletonized. They're as you can see, just full titanium handles. So you might think it's a heavy knife, but it really isn't. And on top of that, the blade to handle ratio is incredible on this knife. And just the overall weight and the design of this thing is just so nimble. You know, however you grab the knife, it's comfortable. There are no hot spots, at least from what I've felt. You know, yeah, if I stick it like that, yeah, it's gonna create a hot spot right there, but you know, that's an incorrect way of grabbing the knife. But using the hammer grip and the reverse grip and the, what you might call this, the skinning grip, at least that's what this type of grip is what I use for skinning. So it's really comfortable. Let's see what else. Oh, the handle, titanium. It's kind of a blurple color. Got something in my eye, sorry. The action is amazing, and Michael Gavco started off as many of us, as a designer from Slovakia, and I think he's living in Miami. And another thing I love about this blade is that the blade in itself has no labeling, no branding. I love that. Look at how clean it looks. The only labeling it has is, the M390, and this run was limited to 200 pieces, and this is number 87. So love that. And you can see on the handle, just in a very subtle way, very elegant CKF and then Gavco logo. So this is a very precisely a very elegant knife, if you ask me, a very elegant tactical knife, but so well in hand. It goes so well in hand. And let's do some comparisons, shall we? Here we have the Victorinox Huntsman. Here we have the Buck 110. Let's see if it stands up. There you have it. All right. Let's go with the number 2 pencil and with the US quarter. And what was the Sharpie? Where's the Sharpie? Here is the Sharpie. So you can more or less have an idea. Now let's go with the Rat 2 and the Rat 1. So it's almost the size of the Rat 1, a full-size knife, as you can see. Let's take a look. I have to hold it there. There we go. And man, if you saw my table, here's the original Blurple, right? Which is darker, of course. But it just looks so good. It's like, I don't know, I wouldn't say, perhaps now comparing right here, I wouldn't say a Blurple, but rather a bluish, and it's really blue, but kind of a sky blue with just a bit of hints of a darker blue or just lighter strokes of purple. Just really nice. Anyways, I keep on looking at it, and it mesmerizes me. I really enjoy good designs, and in an era where we when every day or every other day we have new drop, wonderful, new drop, wonderful, fantastic, new drop. Yeah, there are good things out there, but my bet is I still bet my money on experience. Anyways, besides, experienced knife makers have earned it. And not to say that newcomers aren't good, but well, you'll see in the next first impressions that are coming a few things about that. Anyways, talking about this knife, I find it wonderful. I find it very comfortable in hand. The action is fantastic. And just one more comparison, since I have it right here, and that would be another Tanto. The cold steel, a classical one, the cold steel Code 4 Tanto and American Tanto. And you can see how it is very, how can I put it, elongated, with not an abrupt angle like in the Code 4. Still love the Code 4. Each one has its own qualities, but this elongated angle, makes it look so different and closer to the original Japanese Tanto, Anyways, and that, I'm gonna shush now and close up the video. The CKF Tiger by Michael Gavco, a fantastic knife, and very happy that someone out there is going to enjoy it. I cannot keep it, unfortunately, as you know, but glad that someone is going to be able to enjoy this one. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope to read your comments. Remember, your like, subscribe, and share. That's very important. And I almost always forget about that and just, share this information. But I'd really appreciate if you guys help out in that sense. Share, like, and subscribe. Professor EDC out.